Hi guys, so today is an interesting video. It's a different video than what I usually do. It's about me and my dad's journey fixing his muscle car. It's a 1967 Camaro, and Dad has owned it for a very long time, since he was 16. And Dad drove it for a really long time, and eventually it got dirty and rusty, and it had to be fixed. And follow along with me with my journey. This is how it looked when Dad originally got it. Dad eventually repainted it. Here's little me helping Dad rebuild it. Here is all that rust I was talking about. So Dad had to flip it on its side so he could fix it properly. This is the day we brought the new engine home. I got to learn how to use lots of tools. Here I am soldering wires together.
Okay, press it in. Give it a twist.
This is the first time the engine started, and the Dad's friend helped him start it from his computer. What?
You got a runner.
That's better. We got it back together. There's still more work to do, but we can at least enjoy it. And now for the Dairy Queen. That car is even older than Mom and Dad. I really hope you enjoyed my video. See you next time, guys. Bye.